To remove and install the battery on your Sportsman 850 or XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Set the parking brake. Turn the key switch to the off position and remove the key. Unlatch the front rack and pull back to open. Then unlatch the quarter-turn latches inside and remove the storage compartment. Remove the 2 fasteners retaining the front cover trim. Remove the fastener securing the battery hold-down. Lift the rear of the hold-down clamp and remove with the protective cover from the vehicle. Remove the black negative battery cable fastener and set the cable aside. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then, loosen the red positive battery cable fastener. Set the cable aside. Tip: reinstall the cable fasteners into the battery post to prevent misplacement. Tilt the battery up and lift out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged. Caution: using a new battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery, hinder vehicle performance, and result in a shorter life. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the battery maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Reinstall the battery into the battery holder. Install the positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque the fastener to specification. Install the negative cable and torque the fastener to specification. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Install the battery hold-down and protective cover. Torque the hold-down fastener to specification. Reinstall the front cover trim panel. Install the trim panel fasteners and torque until fully seated. Reinstall the storage compartment by aligning the front tabs and pivoting down. Verify the sealing gasket is properly seated and close the front storage compartment. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.